One of the unique things is that we are full stack. We have, from data centers and telecommunication equipment under the seafloor all the way to satellites. And that ability to go end to end gives us a unique market position to be able to help our clients think through their AI solutions. Not only how are they thinking about compute and inference and network management, but also as they think about the business problems that they're looking to solve. We have solutions like the Agentic grid that helps us build agent workflows that then know context memory. They do memory management for short-term, long-term memory. The model exhaust that comes out of the model is captured for further diagnosis to make sure the decisions are accurate. And the agentic and AI solutions that we provide to our clients drive high efficacy. This is one of the biggest challenges in the marketplace, and there's several reasons for that. One is a lot of the solutions are built very narrow and built in a fashion that's a POC that doesn't allow them to scale because they're not thinking through broader implications for how to scale a solution. So for example, there's not workflow, there's not context management. The second big portion of this is around adoption. AI is not just a technology that we have to learn, it's a different way of working. And that different way of working comes with broader change management needed to be able to understand, hey, I'm not adopting a tool, I am working with an agent, I'm working with multiple agents to do my work differently. And that is another missing component. Looking at AI and how to do it responsibility is we're incumbent on all of us as designers of AI solutions to think about not only the responsible but the ethical use of AI. A large part of that comes with some upfront work around human-centric approach to doing AI design, as well as really bringing change adoption and AI responsibility into the design process itself before you actually start the build and implementation, so you have the end in mind of where you want to go with the solution. I think scale of the organization is really important, that they have to play in a lot of different countries to understand all the different nuances, both cultural, political, that exist. And if you can build solutions that scale globally, you have a really deep understanding of inherent biases that might exist, or you're thinking through things like, well, do I need to make this sovereign for a particular nation to make sure that I'm capturing their cultural values in the solution that I drive? So when you look for a partner, one, you're going to want to look for someone with scale. Two, you're going to want to look for someone that is really taking that responsible component and bringing it up front into the design process, as well as a view of the individual countries or regions, politics and legislation and policies to fit that into the design process to make sure that you're getting a solution that fits that organization.